Savoy, under the leadership of Thomas's father and later his own efforts, sought to expand its influence in the region. While Thomas did not play a leading role in the military campaigns that would eventually lead to the unification of Italy, his diplomatic and political maneuverings were key in maintaining the family's position during these turbulent times. In the years leading up to his death in 1730, Thomas of Savoy's influence began to wane, as the House of Savoy transitioned into a new era of leadership. His passing marked the end of a chapter for the Savoy family, and though he was not remembered as a military hero like his father, his role in the cultural and political spheres of his time left an indelible mark on European history. Despite not being as famous as his father or other members of his family, Prince Thomas of Savoy's legacy is one of diplomacy, patronage, and perseverance. He navigated the complex political landscape of 18th-century Europe with a combination of strategy, securing the continued prominence of the House of Savoy in European affairs. His contributions to the arts and his diplomatic endeavors have ensured that he is remembered as a key figure in the broader narrative of European history, particularly in the context of the House of Savoy and its pursuit of power and influence.
Prince Thomas of Savoy, 1695 to 1730, a notable figure of early 18th century European nobility, was a key member of the House of Savoy, one of Europe's most prominent royal families. Born in 1695 as the son of Prince Eugene of Savoy and his wife, Princess Olympia Mancini, Thomas was steeped in the legacy of his prestigious lineage. The House of Savoy had long been influential in the political and military affairs of Italy, and Thomas's life and actions further cemented the family's place in European history. Thomas of Savoy was raised in an environment marked prestige and military accomplishment, as his father, Prince Eugene of Savoy, was one of the most celebrated military leaders of his time. Eugene's victories in the War of Spanish Succession and his involvement in the defense of Austria against the Ottoman Empire had solidified his reputation. However,
सावे खानदान के अंदर क़यादत की मंतकली हो रही थी। प्रिंस थॉमस के वालिद की वफात के बाद हसन ने क़यादत संभाली। थॉमस ने मिलिट्री मुहिमात में मरकजी किरदार अदा न किया। 18th सेंचुरी यूरोप के सियासी मंजरनामे में तब्दीलियां आईं। 18 को सियासी और सफारती चालों से अपनी पोजीशन मजबूत करनी पड़ी। थॉमस ने और उनके खानदान ने सावे हाउस में तब्दीलियां की। थॉमस ने अपने दौर में सकाफती और सियासी मैदान में अलामती किरदार अदा किया। स्ट्रेटजीज और सफारतकारी में उनकी विरासत नुमायां रही। प्रिंस थॉमस ने बड़े सियासी लैंडस्केप को कामयाबी से निपटाया। 18th सेंचुरी के यूरोप में उनको हिकमत अमली सीखने का मौका मिला। उनके दौर में खानदान ने नया मकाम और शनाख्त हासिल की। थॉमस ने अपनी शख्सियत के जरिए नई रहनुमाई की। उन्होंने मुख्तलिफ सकाफती और सियासी मुहाजों पर कामयाबी हासिल की। उनकी सफारतकारी का असर देर पा साबित हुआ। फैमिली की खदमात ने यूरोप की तारीख पर इनमट नकूश छोड़े।